Hello guys and girls, today we're looking at how to find the area of a triangle. So what I'm going to do is walk you through the procedure and then we'll have a brief look at how it works and then we'll have a little bit of a recap. Okay? But to work out the area of a triangle, we take half the base and we times him by the height. Okay, the formula is A equals half base times height. So base times height and then half it. Okay, and here's some examples. So here I've got a triangle that is 3 meters, that's the height, by 4 meters, which is our base. So all we need to do to work out the area is first of all write the formula, half base times height equals our area. Then where we had the base, we write 4 because 4 is our base. Where we had the height, we write 3 because that's our height. The half stays the same. And half times 4 times 3 will give us our area. Okay, so 4 3s are 12, half of that is 6. So our area is 6 meters squared. Our next one is a different way of looking at the area of a triangle. Okay, and here our base is 6, just like before, but our height is 5. Okay, and the reason it's down the middle is that we can't take this side or this side because they're not at right angles to the base. Okay, the height needs to be standing up straight. It needs to be at a right angle to the base. But once we have our right angled height, we just write our formula. Half times base times height equals area. Okay, we take our base of 6 and we write it under base. We take our height of 5 and we write it under 5 and we half it, and that gives us our area. So 6 5s are 30, half of that is 15 meters squared. Okay, the reason that works is quite interesting. All triangles take up half the space of the rectangle with the same dimensions, the rectangle with the same height and the same base. Okay, the reason is that if you were to cut along the middle line and then rotate, you create a rectangle. Okay, and that rectangle is the same height as the height and has the same base as the base, and the triangle inside, the light triangle, takes up half of the darker triangle. Okay, so the light triangle is half of the total area of the rectangle. So if I put it back and make the base bigger, that relationship is still the same. Okay, if I put it back and make it a right angled triangle, almost, the relationship is still the same. So the triangle always takes up half the size of the rectangle. So just to recap, the formula for the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. That works for every triangle. I always write down the formula just because I want to remember it. Then I take my base, put it where the base is, so I substituted 4 for the base. Take my height, put it where the height is, so 3 for the height, times it all together, and then I get my area. Notice too that you definitely don't take these sides you take these sides because they're at right angles to each other. Hopefully that was helpful. Bye guys.